Hi guys, we're back at Broomfield today. I'm going to show you a spectacular house. Simply fell in love with it the first minute that you see it. Let's go and have a look.
This 3-bedroom family home is walk-in ready. Renovated inside and out, tastefully, every corner you look.
Recent renovation refreshed kitchen, laundry and bathroom and gives extra styles and functionality to this property. And not to forget to mention the retrofit double glazing windows.
Get ready to pack your bags. This home is ready to move in right away.
And I'm Tina Jung.
And I'm Justine Sutton, and we look forward to welcoming you at our open homes.